Hey, welcome back to the No Code Minute. Now that we have the data ready to display, we can start the workflow. Let's try that here. Click on the Add button, Start Edit Workflow. I'm going to do three things. So the first one, we want to create a new thing. So we're going to make a new grocery store item. We're going to add a description to it, which is from our input descriptions value, and also our image. So that's going to be from our picture uploader, that value. Okay, now remember, we need to add this. So we're going to make changes to a thing. We're going to add this to our user. So our current user, we're going to add this to our grocery store item list. So we're going to add what we just created, was the result of step 1. Okay, so that's important. We don't want to leave with an empty bag. And last but not least, reset the inputs. Okay, so that's your No Code Minute for today. Making a grocery list part 8 will clean things up a little bit and test out and see how it looks. Okay, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Remember to like the video and also subscribe.